Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica here, and today I'm going to share my favorite henna hair mask which not only color your hair but also conditions, which will make your hair smooth, soft and shiny and very manageable. This is my favorite hair mask. I love henna hair mask. Don't worry if you have black hair, it won't turn your hair red or it won't turn color if you have black hair, but if you have bleached white hair then it will show red or a burgundy color. Now this is my favorite henna powder that I use. This is from Banjara's Natural Henna. It not only contains henna, it contains some other herbal products which is good for your hair. So this one is 60 grams, retails for 30 rupees. So far the best henna powder that I've used. I've tried many henna powders. Trust me guys, when I say this, I've really tried, and this is not a sponsored video. None of my video is sponsored really. I don't have much subscriber and I don't have any sponsored video on my channel, and just letting you know. It also contains hibiscus which helps to reduce hair fall, contains amla which helps to reduce premature graying. It also contains brahmi and methi and bringraj which all helps to promote hair growth and also conditions your hair. So I'm taking 3 tablespoons of this henna hair mask. I'm not only going to apply it to my scalp, I'm going to apply it all over my hair length also. So I'm taking 3 teaspoons. Next I'm using bringraj powder, which is very optional. Actually this henna itself contains bringraj, but I'm additionally adding bringraj powder. You all know that bringraj is very good for your hair. It helps to stop hair fall and makes your hair strong and healthy. Now I'm facing a mild hair fall during monsoon, so I'm using bringraj additionally. Very optional, if you have you can use, or you can also add amla, hibiscus powder as per your wish, but henna it's itself more than enough. And I'm taking bringraj 2 teaspoons, and also I'm going to mix them together using rice water, not rice soaked water. This is rice starch. So after you have cooked the rice, you will drain the water, right? This is the rice starch that actually got little thick. But if you use it fresh, it will be runny in consistency. I kept it for a long time outside, so it got little thick, but okay, it's good for your hair. I love to use rice starch on my hair. It instantly makes my hair very soft, shiny, and it helps to get straight hair. So if you have straight hair but it's very frizzy and not manageable, try this rice water in your hair pack and also in your herbal wash. In Sigakai you can add and use it as your herbal wash. You can also dilute it in water and use it as after rinse, after you have washed your hair and conditioned. This is very good for your hair, not only to get that shine, but it also helps to maintain a healthy, strong hair. It contains many vitamins, minerals which helps to make your hair strong and helps to regrow your hair also. So try this and let me know. I used to have long hair from my childhood itself. From my 5th standard I remember I'm having long hair till my hip, below my hip also. During my schooling also I used to have very long hair, and I don't wash my hair. My mom only washes because it's very long and I had very thick. I can't manage it by myself, so she uses this rice starch and mix it with Sigakai and then apply it to my hair and she washes. That was the only thing I do. I don't apply any hair pack. I use bringraj oil and Sigakai to my hair, and my hair was healthy. It was very healthy. So I really love to use rice starch. And next I'm going to squeeze half lemon into this hair pack. Why I'm using lemon is that lemon helps to clear your scalp, and if you have any dandruff issue and if you have oily scalp, you can add lemon, or you can also use curd. I don't have curd today, so I'm using lemon to just to clear my scalp and to get the healthy scalp and to clear all the dirts and any accumulated particles on my scalp. And mix this well. This has to be the consistency. It shouldn't be very runny or very thick. It should be easy to apply in a creamy consistency. And I will let this hair pack sit. I cover it with a lid and I let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. Let it completely activate. Whenever you're using a henna hair mask, you have to let it sit for some time and then only you have to apply it on your hair to get the full benefit. I got to know this from my beauty parlor friend. And yeah, next I'm going to apply it to my scalp. I will apply this to my scalp in sections so that my roots are nicely covered, and the remaining I will apply it to the length of my hair.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like I'm moving, my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. Killing time, we got nowhere to be. You're sending messages I can't ignore. No contemplating, come here close to me. I'm bored at home, can't leave the house no more. But I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like I'm losing my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. You, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart.
After applying this hair pack, I'm going to tie my hair into 2 buns and then cover my head with a shower cap. Whenever you're using a hair pack, remember to cover your head with a shower cap so that the hair pack doesn't get dry, and it shouldn't strip off the moisture from your scalp and hair. So it should be very moisturizing and it shouldn't get very dry. So always cover it with a shower cap, and I'm going to let it sit on my head for 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to wash it off with normal shampoo. Also remember to use gloves, otherwise it will stain your hands. And yeah, after washing, this is how my hair looks like if I air dried it. And as you can see, it has turned my hair color also. The bleached part, it gives a nice shine and my hair feels very soft and smooth. Do try this hair pack and let me know how it works for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You can watch my other videos given on the screen. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.